Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Tuesday, July 26, 2022. As you can see that on the weekend on my YouTube video, I show you the market after they break the first downtrend line, they hit to the second downtrend line, they need to pull back. In this, they have been pulled back, so they come back and retest and look like they try to build up more momentum. So tomorrow, Wednesday is the FOMC meeting, so the Fed will target to increase the interest rate 75 points, so that's the target. But if he do something better than that, the market will continue to push it up to the upside and test the next downtrend line here. But if he increase it to 100 point, then that can be called a problem to continue to go lower. But look at the chart, look at the momentum. Seems like the market found support and momentum will try to break through the upside. So more likely the market will find a way to break out this area here. So let's see tomorrow they'll be able to do that. Then the market will continue to rally to the upside if they're able to clear the downtrend line there. Okay, so if you look at the technology NQ, it also pull back. They run too fast. They hit to the sell zone, so they pull back down. However, today they found a support, and after our momentum it will push back up. So technically, they will find more momentum to punch to this area sooner or later. Okay, because we still have a downtrend line up here. So if they can hold up, and they will bounce it back up. So far you see that this week, especially today, you see the Google and Microsoft, they all are now earning after hour. But the Google, they come down during the day right into the buy zone. So even though even though they miss earning, but you don't want to short it into the buy zone because they will hold up and try to buy up and down this area here also. You also see Microsoft, also another stuck in this triangle here. So after hours, I think that they push it back up right into the upper bow here. So if they can clear the downtrend line here, they will continue to go to the upside. Okay, so but today you can see a lot of retail wholesale stock, they get hit hard by Walmart, right? And you can see that they and then they warning about consumer spending. That's why the stock dropped almost 10%, but they rise to the buy zone. So let's see what they want to do what they want to do next here. It's basically they can cause a lot of problem for retail stock like Costco, Target. You know, they all get hit gap down here, but overall trend is still bullish. You know, because they run too far, they need to pull back. So that's normal as long as they still stay in the uptrend. They hit right into resistance, so they should pull back and build some momentum before they can move again. So if you look at the Dow is still hold up pretty well. They pull back also right into the sell zone here. You can see those areas used to be a support, now become a strong resistance when they get back there. So they pull back a little bit here, but momentum is still there. They try to cross to this level here. So as long as they can hold on to that level here, they will punch through here. We can get up there again. All right. Now look at the small cap stock. It's also doing pretty well. They hang tight here. They break the first downtrend line. So we're looking forward to get back to the next level there. If you look at the crude oil is also sideways choppy here. They try to make a turn here. So unless they be able to break a downtrend line here, and you can have some more uptrend. But if they still below this trend line here, it's still choppy sideways for a while. Natural gas is doing pretty well. They break to the resistance, they pull back, but with the situation in Europe, so the Russia cut the oil line, cut the gas supply for Europe. It can cause more demand on the natural gas. However, they are hit into the sell zone here, so let's see if they're able to punch through it. If they can clear that area here, they do have more room to come. But if they fail here, they need to pull back before they can move higher. Gold is also in the downside. Nobody touch it. It still continue to going down. Okay, so the downside like here to hold them up. So they will be sideways choppy for a while before they be able to build the momentum to get up, even though they are in the final move here. Now, if you look at the other sector, let's take a look on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin still put it back, hit into the resistance, and now they pull back down again. But they are a little bit choppy, okay. But momentum is trying to get back up. As long as they can hold up or some good news come out, they can get back up. But right now they're still choppy, round over here, okay. Momentum have not turned positive yet, so you still have to wait until see the able to break out this level there. Ethereum is also same thing. They pull back, fill up the gap right into the resistance, like we mentioned, couldn't go higher, so they have to pull back before they can turn around again. But Ethereum is a little bit stronger. If they can build a base here, they can break out here and get up there again. All right, now let's take a look at 11 sector of the S&P 500. So you can see that XLK they pull back a little bit after the breakout. They pull back, same thing like XLY, consumer discretionary, same thing. So hopefully this level will hold them up so that they can build up now momentum up. XLY is still hold tight. Okay, they have pulled back a little bit, but momentum is still there. They need to clear that area in order to go higher. XLC communication that pulled back down a little bit, but as you can see, a lot of stock that pulled back down today on the tech, on the communication service. So that's why it's still choppy, bearish here again. XLB material is still in the downtrend. They try to put it back up. They fall behind, but now if they can hold up here, they can put it up again. The XLP consumer stable, they doing pretty well. They hold tight here. If they can hold up here, if they break out this level here, definitely they will continue to go up. And today a couple of stocks like McDonald's, Pepsi, they are doing well. So they have a potential to put it back up to the upside again. Okay, and let me see here. The energy is still try to build up the momentum. However, they have a lot of resistance in this area here. So it's the bow back here have to be watch out more carefully. Financial, it go up and then they pull back down again. Okay, the real estate is still doing okay with the interest rate cool down a little bit. So tomorrow will be important for the real estate sector. Okay, if the interest rate go higher, this one will pull back down. Okay, but if interest rate go lower, then this one will be able to punch to that level and continue to the upside again. Okay, so wait for the FOMC meeting to see how the people react to it. Utility it try to find a way to put it back up. Okay, so again, some momentum here. Look like they try to build some more momentum here to break this level here. Break level here, they can go up there. Okay, and the utility is doing well, but XLV healthcare also try to get back up, as you can see here. They will break out, so if they can clear that area here, okay, it will be more bull to come for the XLV. So this is the level of resistance they still hold them up. If they can clear that level here, they will find a way to go up to the upside again. Okay, so all right, so that's all I have for you today. So let's see tomorrow what the market going to do. Very important. A lot of economy now this week, so you will see that the market will be more volatile, and plus the earning for a lot of mega big cap stock, definitely that they will tell you where the market will head into after tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. All right, so good luck to you all, and then I will see you on the next YouTube video. Take care, everyone.